Hi everyone, my name is Gurpreet Singh and today I'm going to share my practicum experience with you. So it was very interesting experience that I had, and initially we are so confused which teammate shall I select, because we are going to work for almost like for 4 weeks and it would be very difficult decision. But I chose Hardeep Kumar as my team member, and we had a very good experience. So now the second step is that we have to select the project that Ms. Jung has given us. So as per our practical knowledge and everything, me and Hardeep Kumar are working in a hotel industry. So we have the brief ideas about the hotels. So that's why, like in the future, we are thinking about to open our restaurant or the hotel. So keeping in view and everything, we have decided to work in the B&B. So me and Hardeep Kumar, we already made a resume, but we edited according to send it to employer. We edit everything and then we made a resume accordingly. And luckily, within the first step, we got selected for B&B tourism. Luckily, we met one of the sweet owner of B&B. Her name is Dawn Ari. So she's very sweet lady, and she's owning a B&B in Wakefield, Quebec City, and she's having 3 rooms. But she's only one man army who's handling everything, and she's owning 3 rooms and one restaurant, and she's providing excellent services. So due to the post-pandemic, she had very loss in her business because of the pandemic. So she required, advice on how to, increase her business. So that's the best thing that we can do. So we started, providing advice on better marketing of the B&B. So on the first meeting, we made a strategies. We gave her, the sub points, then how she can improve the marketing part and everything. And then we had a meeting. So she get a very positive response from our side, and she's very happy. So that's how our journey begins for the practicum. So the day began when we were having the meeting. Me and Hardeep Kumar, we are so confused what questions we are going to ask her and what question she's going to ask us. So after asking each other, we come to know that she's looking for help in in advertisement part, as she mentioned her the past experience, how she told her like she's also employee of one of the hotel, and later on after the marriage, her dream was to open the B&B. So with great courage, and she opened the B&B in Wakefield, Quebec City, and she was very happy that she had opened her own B&B, and she's the only one who is operating the B&B. She's owning 3 rooms over there, and plus providing the breakfast facilities to their customers. After deep discussion with her, what she wants, so we come to an idea that she's looking for help in the advertisement. So we had a great conversation in the beginning, and then later on we told her that we are going to send her the advertisement poster in order to boost the sale. So our conversation ended at that point of time, and the next meeting, for entire course of the practicum, we did the meeting on every Sunday around 7 a.m. And because this is the only time which is suitable for her, so according to her, we are doing the meeting at 7 a.m. in the morning. So in the next meeting, we sent her the posters. We made a poster on Canva of the breakfast. So she was so surprised to see the posters, and she's very happy. Glad, like she's happy. She's liking her work. And then the next week, she told us to do something different. And for the next week, again we had a meeting in the morning around 7 a.m. and then we represented her the Instagram stories of the Wakefield of her B&B, and she's so surprised, but she need some editing part. So for the third week we did the editing part and sent it to her, and she was so surprised and she was so happy that we are helping her, and we become good friends, because she started liking us and told us like, if you need any sort of help afterwards, I'm here for you if you need the job as well. This is we feel very positive things, that we are doing the practicum for the first time and we are getting very positive review from the employer. So the next following week, she told us she's not good in the TikTok. So we made a TikTok account for her, and we made 3-4 TikTok videos of BNB. And the next following week, again on 7 a.m, we gave her we show her the TikTok videos and TikTok account, and she was so happy. And then she told her, you did a great, marvelous job, and we are so happy to hear from employer side that she's liking our task. And then later on, the next week, we make her the barcode, that she can represent on her the wall of BNB, of the BNB. So that when any guest click on the barcode through the mobile phone, they can open a direct page of her website, and she's so happy for that. The day come when we are having the last meeting, and she was a bit emotional, because the next following week we are not having any meeting with her. But again, she told us in the last meeting that you guys, me and Hardeep, help her a lot, in the terms of advertisement. And she's going to use that sort of advertisement that we have made, the TikTok videos, Instagram stories, everything, for the next upcoming months. And then later on, she told us that she's going to hire us if she has any vacancy in future. That's very commendable comment that we got from her side. So overall, we had a very great experience being working with her, because she's a very professional lady, and she told us so many things which we are going to, which it's going to help her in my future. So she told us how alone she's handling the BNB. She's working with for groceries and everything, and she told us how she's doing a sort of advertisement for the clients, for everything. So the tips that I want to give for everyone, if you get the virtual experience of the practicum, if you're going to do, so please ask your employer what she requires. So what are the demand, what are the things she's looking for. Then after mutual consent, then you should work accordingly. So last thing I would like to add on, so guys, always give your 100%. And if you have any query, if you are not feeling comfortable with your employer, always check with your instructor, because Dusan always help us each and every stage. So always give your 100%. And at the end, I would like to say thank you to Dusan and Hardeep, because they helped me a lot in completion of my practicum. Thank you for watching my blog, and if you have any query, please free to contact me. My name is Gurpreet, and please subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you.